In this video, you will learn how adversaries use wireless and wired attacks to gain access to your network. Let's start with wireless attacks. Your Wi-Fi router is constantly broadcasting its name into the air. This is called a beacon frame. It's a broadcast signal sent by a Wi-Fi router to announce its presence to nearby devices. An attacker just fires up a sniffing tool, sits in the parking lot, and listens. They can map out every access point, every SSID, signal strength, the works, without ever touching your network. That's passive recon, completely silent. And once they know the network, they'll try to crack your wireless encryption to eavesdrop on or steal your data. Instead of attempting to join the network wirelessly, attackers can also attempt to just plug right in. If an attacker finds an open Ethernet port and plugs their device in, they're instantly inside your LAN. A LAN, or local area network, is the private internal network that connects devices inside a building or office. The attacker doesn't need to crack a password or use a fancy exploit. They just need to plug in a cable. This is why physical security is important in cybersecurity. If they want to be even sneakier, they can use what is known as a rogue access point. The attacker plugs in a tiny Wi-Fi router into that open LAN port and creates their own wireless network inside yours. Maybe they name it something convincing, like corporate Wi-Fi guest. Then they've got direct access to your LAN, and they might not even need to be in the building to use it. The sneakiest part of wired attacks is that they bypass your firewalls completely. Alright, how do we stop all this? Let's get into it. For wireless attacks, properly configured firewalls are your first line of defense. They monitor and filter traffic coming in and going out, blocking anything that doesn't belong. The key word is properly configured. A firewall with bad rules is almost as dangerous as no firewall at all. For wired attacks, use port security. You can enable this on your switches so that an open data port can't just be plugged into freely. Pair that with authentication, and then every device and user has to prove themselves before getting network access. Networks that skip this step are basically leaving the front door unlocked. But what if they do get in and can see the traffic? It's game over? Not yet. Another prevention is encryption. If an attacker intercepts your traffic, encryption makes it unreadable to them. It's one of the most important layers in your defense, and we'll go deeper on the specifics later. For now, just know, if your data isn't encrypted, it's exposed. So to recap, adversaries are out there listening to beacon frames, hunting for open ports, and dropping rogue access points to bypass your defenses. One gap is all they need, but with proper firewalls, port security, strong authentication, and encryption, you make their job way harder.